Hi and welcome to our presentation today. I'm Sean Murray from Beneco. Today we'll be going over the claims process, basically how to submit a claim online, view pending claims, things of that nature. If you do have any questions, remember you can always click on the live chat button when you are logged into the website, or feel free to contact us here at Beneco. Thanks, and we hope you enjoy the presentation. The employee claim and tutorial process is a four-step process. In the previous presentation, we went over step 1 and 2, and in this presentation we'll be highlighting step 3 and 4, basically going over the employee claim process from start to finish. As mentioned in the previous slide, we're going to be touching on steps 3 and 4 of the employee tutorial process. So after an employee logs on, they can now start submitting claims online. When an employee logs on, they should see the following screen below. This is what we like to call the employee dashboard or employee account page. So how to submit a claim? Step 1, from your employee account page, hit the Add a Claim button. So as you can see below, there's an arrow pointing to the Add a Claim button. After hitting the Add a Claim button, step 2 is next, so choose your expense item. All allowable expenses can be found in the drop-down box. So you would hit across from the expense row there, a drop-down box, and there's various options to choose from. Now, if you are unsure if your claim is allowable, use the click to chat to ask. Once again, this is a 24-hour instant service. Someone should be answering your question right away, and once again, if not, feel free to contact Beneco and we'll help you with it. After the expense has been submitted, then hit step 3. It says there's then choose your sub-item. So this just adds further detail to what you have already put in. For example, for expense, if you put in medicine, a sub-item would be cost of prescriptions. Once again, just adding further detail to what you're claiming. After that, step 4, enter the full cost, including tax, for the service. If your expense item does have a tip or gratuity, do not add this, as this is not eligible. Step 5, enter the service date that will be found on the receipt. This is the date the service was done, not payment date. So once again, the date the service was done, not the date it was paid on. Step 6 in the process, upload a copy of receipt and review to ensure it is legible. This upload can be a PDF, JPEG, or PNG, or even a scanned copy. The system will preview the attachment for you to make sure it is legible. If not legible, it will be denied and have to be re-entered. After that has been done, step 7, click Submit, and you are finished. After you are finished submitting the claim, we move on to step 4 of the employee tutorial process. The employee at this point has their claim approved or declined, and if it is approved, the employee gets reimbursed electronically. So let's say after I've submitted a claim and I want to know if it has been processed. What you would do is you would look at the employee account page or employee dashboard, as we had mentioned earlier. There's a tab at the bottom, and there is an option called View Claims, which that arrow is pointing to in the example below. After clicking the View Claims box, here you will see a list of past claims. Claims are either pending or approved for payment. Now, pending claims mean that it has not been approved by the broker and will not be paid out right away. Approved for payment means it has been approved and has gone into the last bank file and should be paid out in the next 5 business days. So as you can see in the example below, there's a few pending and a few approved for payment. Once again, if you have any questions, you can always hit the live chat or contact us here at Beneco. So just a couple points regarding claim deadline. Employees are encouraged to get claims in as soon as the cost is incurred. This will ensure all funds that can be used get to be recovered. Many times employees will lose or forget to submit a claim. If it falls under another benefit year because it's been that long they haven't submitted it in, then it may be ineligible. So it is important that right when you have service rendered to get the claim submitted. The next point there is claims can be entered anytime within the benefit year. After the benefit year, the employee has 30 days to submit all claims for the prior benefit year. What that's saying is, let's say your benefit year runs from January 1st to December 31st. After December 31st, you have 30 days to submit all claims from that benefit year of January to December. All claims after that 30 days for within January to December will be ineligible. Now the point below just kind of details that a bit further. That about wraps up this presentation. Once again, of course, if you have any questions or concerns, please click on the live chat button. This is a 24-hour service for our Beneco clients. Also, if that doesn't work, you can always contact us here at Beneco and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for enjoying our presentation and have a great day.